HGI is a financial services marketing company that is looking for entrepreneurs from all walks of life who want to build a successful business. Here are 8 keys to building a successful business with HGI. The demand for financial professionals is greater than ever. In fact, there is low supply and high demand, creating incredible opportunity for entrepreneurs. This is the first key to a successful business. Number 2. The problem with most jobs is that your income and opportunity is limited. Even with promotions, each position has capped earnings, and you can be downsized at any time. At HGI, our company is structured with no limits. You get to be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. The next key factor to a successful business is having leveraged efforts. Any successful and profitable business in the financial industry runs with a team of professionals. A real estate brokerage has many agents, and an accounting firm has several accountants. As a financial professional, you are limited to 24 hours per day to produce business. But if you could make money on the efforts of a team, you could scale to hundreds, perhaps thousands of financial professionals. Income diversification by leveraging the efforts of others is essential to build stability and long-term wealth. Number 4 is talent retention. As you build your business, the last thing you want to happen is to have your team members leave to start their own independent business and become your competition. HGI's system is designed to retain your top people by providing them the opportunity to be just as successful as you are. If the problem is big enough and the solution is big enough, then you have the greatest opportunity of a lifetime. The market conditions couldn't be more perfect. Trillions of dollars are moving from the baby boomers and seniors down to the millennials and Generation Xers. This great wealth wave is moving fast. Now is the time to catch the wave, and that makes perfect timing. Number 5. Number 6. Residual income. For many professionals, the only way to make money is by writing business with their own pen. They start back at zero every single month. If they stop closing deals, the money stops. The smarter way is to write business that pays passive, residual, ongoing income from the business that you and your team produce. Next is the unique products and services. In business, you have to stand out from the competition and offer something that sets you apart. With HGI, we teach clients industry-disrupting concepts, which are game changers. From self-directing their retirement plans to alternative ways to eliminate debt, HGI has a solution to help clients from all walks of life. The most important key to a successful business is a turnkey system. A business is only as successful as the proven systems that it has implemented. Our turnkey leadership format system is proven and predictable. The system helped build not only one, but 2 separate billion-dollar market cap companies. Both of these companies became number 1 in sales in their respective industries. This system has produced over 20 million sales and has paid over $2 billion of payouts to the field. The leadership format system has over a 35-year track record and is led by the architect of the system, HGI founder, chairman, and CEO, Hubert Humphrey. With a resume like that, why would you look anywhere else? Contact your HGI associate to learn how you can build the business of your dreams and conquer your future. For the right person, HGI is the best opportunity in the world.